my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, long life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Grade from 9 Cerulean. State news. Telangana High Court upholds freedom of speech in line marking ruling. Sport news. Yumumba versus Patna Pirates. Yumumba won by 1 point. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Gautam Sudha from Grade IX Cerulean. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, wind speed 16 kilometers per hour, humidity 90%. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Thought is brought by yours everyone from Grade IX Cerulean. Thought of the day. A good thought make a happy person. Once again I will repeat. A good thought make a happy person. Thank you.
Today word is brought to you by indigenous from Grade IX Cerulean. Word consequence. The moral person sense of right and right that governor or a person thought. Friends, please spell after me. Consequence. C-O-N-S-E-I-E-N-C-E. Consequence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Myself, Nishant from Grade IX Cerulean, brought to Happy morning to all. I am Nishant from Grade IX Cerulean, brought today's speech. Importance of moral values in student life. Moral values are vital for students as they build character, guide ethical decision making, foster strong social relationship, and promote responsible citizenship by instilling values like honesty, kindness, and empathy. Students develop a moral compass that helps them navigate life's challenges, make sound choices, and contribute positively to society, leading to holistic development and success in both personal and professional life. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's GK questions is brought to you by Abhishek from Grade IX Cerulean. Question for Grade 6. Which country is considered the birthplace of cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is England. Let us appreciate them. Who is known as the Rawalpindi Express in cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Shoaib Akhtar. Let us appreciate them. Which city is known as the Mecca of Indian cricket? I'll repeat my question. Which city is known as the Mecca of Indian cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Kolkata. Let us appreciate them. Indian Hockey Federation formed. I'll repeat my question. When was the Indian Hockey Federation formed? Sorry, you picked the right answer, and the answer is November 7, 1925. Which country hosted the first ever Cricket World Cup in 1975? Sorry, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Australia. You didn't pick the right. Comes to which game? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is chess. Open questions for all. How many players are there on a baseball team? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 9 players. Let us appreciate them. In which year did Amir Khan win his Olympic boxing medal? I'll repeat my question. In which year did Amir Khan win his Olympic boxing medal? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is 2004. Thank you. Have a nice day.